Okay, my guys, how are you all? Hope all will be fine and doing very awesome. I hope you guys doing very good trading. Today I'm going to show you an awesome strategy which is totally about volatility indexes. If you wish to trade on volatility indexes or 1S indexes or boom and crash, and also for jump index. This is actually a swing trading strategy, but you can scalp using this strategy. And I prefer scalping in binary always, which is the way to make real money very fast and easily, so you guys can earn good profit daily basis if you're the scalper or swing trader. I don't recommend to go for a long-term trading in a binary, but you can do on H4 time frame analysis based on a price action, and if you know the way of price action, and you can make. So let's get this started and go to your indicator section and set up, add the moving average on your main chart 50 period. I'm going to repeat again, add moving average 50 period and add a stochastic with these settings. Let me show you the indicated section. First of all, you guys, what to do, add the moving average 55 period involves, kindly take screenshots so you guys easily set up this strategy. Here's the second indicator settings, so you guys take a screenshot and set up after watching this video. Stochastic accelerator, and look here the settings of stochastic, and make sure you click on this close, method will be simple, not exponential or not any other. Okay, stochastic, so please capture the screenshot so you guys set up easily after watching this video. RSI window is not much important, so because of that I'm ignoring this. I had to hide this on my chart. If you wish, you can add RSI, a moving average for period, and also moving average with a simple method, period 9. Okay guys, so I hope you guys took the screenshots and you guys will easily set up this strategy. So let's move next on this strategy. After setting, you will see this. Okay, and I prefer use M15. Look, here is the view of my strategy. It's a really very good strategy, and you're gonna make this. Look here how to enter and when to enter in this market and how to make good profit. Look here at this point, that candle is crossing the involves. Okay, once that market started touching the involves, you just simply need to focus on stochastic. Okay, focus on stochastic, and look here, once the stochastic also crossed these areas, okay, stochastic also crossed, and look here, the market also touching involves. Okay, now you can enter your trade, and once stochastic hit to 80 level, simply go exit. Okay, this is a scalping strategy. And when to sell, look here, it's really very easy, a lot of examples. Here is a short sale, here is again a short sale. Look here, once the market touch to involves, look at this point, and also look at this point, stochastic our sold, and you made good pips. So this is the way forward to make money in financial market using this strategy, so you guys can make easily. So let's move on volatility 75 index. A lot of people wish to trade on volatility 75 index. They love to trade on week 75 always. So look, here is the again, let me show you M15 time frame. Look here, the sale opportunity, and volatility 75 involves across this one, and look here, and once the candles close and after crossing it touch the involves and can fall down in a sale. Just again focus on stochastic accelerator. It's showing the crossover each other and it started going down from our sold area, So now it's mean that market will fall, and look here in front of you how many pips. So you guys made very good pips. Okay, the same way, look here, once that market touch this involves, look at the involves, once the involves touch this area and the cross the upward is going upward. Okay, the moving involves cross the candles. Look at this one, stochastic is crossing each other and going upward, and the candles also crossing involves and going upward. So it's the opportunity to make good pips. Okay, so this is the way forward. If you wish to continue, you can complete the swing, and also you can detect the trend using a price action. Okay, and you draw the price action and check the real picture of the market. When you understand that really market is gonna happen this thing, so you can enter easily and make very good pips. So I will show you one more example on other time frame, and also on the step index. A lot of people wish to trade on step index because they have a very low spread, just the one on the step index. I'll look at this opportunity of the trade. Simply click on this area, look here, M5 time frame. A lot of opportunities just using stochastic. Look here, it's just very early, just now that market started going upward. Okay, and the stochastic also started going upward, and look here the scalping. So you guys just need the patience, and also how to set up your stop loss and a take profit. Look at this point, just simply click this area. 907 is was your stop loss and your entry area. Look here at the second candle, bullish second candle, you can enter the market 9073 and just go with the market. Okay, market started going upward, no problem, just wait and go for more pips. And once market gives you good returns, lock your profit, don't close. I recommend lock your profit and go with market. If the market continuously is moving upward or downward in your favor, just don't be heady, don't close your trade, just set a stop loss in front of your profits, which means trailing, locking your profit and make more money when the market move in your way. So is the way forward. I hope you guys like this video. If you still have any questions, check the description and join my group on Telegram, and also inbox me so you guys understand more. If you have any questions, so you guys can ask me easily. Okay, no problem, I'm there to help you. If you wish to look at a boom and crash, so I will always recommend M5 time frame. Please don't go on M1 time frame. I don't recommend. First of all, always use the price actions so you guys understand a clearer view of a market, what the market wish to do for you. Okay, just simply draw the price action. After drawing the price action, once the price action you will draw, and you will see the clear picture. Look here, swing, return area, and also look at the stochastic, which is showing that the buy areas here. Okay, and also if you draw a trend line upward, you will see here, look here, the price action, the picture. And look, I'm not going in history, live showing that. And here is the sale area of stochastic. You guys just need patience and learn the stop loss. Please avoid listening someone think that the stop loss don't work. Stop loss work in a boom and crash. Okay, so please respect the price action and also the strategy, and you're gonna make this. Okay, thanks for watching, have a good day. Please hit the subscribe button, like and share with other friends, and spread the knowledge. Join my group and make more good profit with my free profitable strategies. Thanks for watching, have a good day.